Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to use webcam effect for OmeTV. Open your browser and search webcam effect AI on Google. Now go to the webcameffects.ai website. In that website, click on Install from Official Chrome Web Store. It will open Chrome Store. Now click on Add to Chrome. Now just wait until it's download finished. After that, it's automatically installed. Now close all tabs and search OmeTV on Google. After that, go to the OmeTV website. Now click on Extension. Now click on AI Webcam Effects. Now you can use any filters to OmeTV. You have to sign in using Google to use full features. Now I am going to sign in using Google. After that I signed in, I have received 7 days free trial. In trial period, you can use all features for free. Let's try few features. You can use these old color filters for OmeTV. After trial period is over, you have to pay for AI webcam effects. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.